In order to create a bootable USB device, when you try to download an ISO file for Windows 10 and Windows 11 from Microsoft's official website, they ask you to download and install Windows Media Creation Tool. But what if I don't have this USB? How do I download the ISO file for Windows 10 or Windows 11? That's what I'm going to tell you. You don't need a USB flash drive, you don't need an SSD drive, you don't need a hard drive. You can directly download your ISO file for Windows 10 and Windows 11 on your laptop, on your MacBook, on your mobile, and also on your Android or iOS tablets. So let's jump into the video and I'll take you through the steps which you can take, and all it takes is a couple of clicks before you can grab your ISO file. The process is very simple and straightforward. First of all, you need to go on to Microsoft ISO download page, as you can see on my screen. You can look for the Windows download option under the download section, but here you will see the requirements are you need to sign in, and you need to have a USB, and also you need to download Windows Media Creation Tool. More download options shows you the same, and also the feedback topic. Now let's right click on the screen and click on inspect, and then you will see this code on the right hand side of the screen. As you can see on my screen, you need to click on this little icon which will transform your desktop view to mobile view. Then you can change or increase the overall screen size. Let's keep it a little bit more visible, and then you will see the same page. But here is the magical trick. You need to refresh the page, and as soon as you click on refresh, this page will show you the download options. So let's click on refresh, and there you go. Download Windows 10 ISO file. Click on this option, select the ISO file. You can go through the content if you want. Windows 10 built all in one. Click next, and then you can pick and choose your language. We will select English International and click on next. Then you have 32-bit and 64-bit Windows ISO files. You can go through the requirements. Must have at least a certain amount of RAM. If you are downloading and installing Windows 11, you can match the MD5 sum for your device. So we'll click on download, and the download will start in the download section. Remember guys, you can use this process on any device, whether you have a mobile phone or a smartphone or a tablet or an Android or Windows device, or you have a MacBook or iMac. It will remain the same, and then you will be able to download the ISO file for Windows 10. Once that is completed, you can go ahead and flash your USB and create bootable USB using any software you like.